question is, how many two-digit numbers have their squares ending with 6? How many two-digit numbers have their squares ending with 6? See, whenever I talk about two-digit numbers, it will always be from 10 to 99. Whenever I talk about two-digit numbers, it will always be from 10 to 99. I will not have 00 as a starting number. So, it can only be from 10 to 99. Among these numbers, how many two-digit numbers have their squares ending with 6? Now, these are all number systems. See, what happens is, we always follow the decimal system. We always follow the decimal system, which is base 10. So, in base 10, I will be having only 10 numbers. 10 numbers will start from 0 to 9. 10 numbers will start from 0 to 9. These are all decimal system. I will have 10 numbers, which is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all decimal system. And when I talk about square, it will always be last number and last number. See, the square ending number will always be last number and last number will be the ending number. So when I do like that, they are asking for how many two-digit numbers have the squares ending with 6. So we only have 0 to 9 as numbers. We only have 0 to 9 as numbers. So when I talk about squares, see, for example, supposing it's 12 into 12. So last number 2 into 2, the ending number will be 4. 2 into 2, the ending number will be 4. So like that, when I talk about squares ending with 6, I'll have to find out how many two-digit numbers have the squares ending with 6. See, as I told you, it is only decimal system 0 to 9. So whatever the ending number, so last number should be equal to 6 here. So this is what I get. So just because we have only 9 numbers, just square the 9 numbers, find out how many numbers have the squares ending with 6. See, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 2 is 2, like 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 will be 9, 4 into 4 will be 16. 4 into 4 will end with 6. 4 into 4 will end with 6. This, I am only talking about ending numbers, don't go by this. 4 into 4 is 16, but this is ending number is 6. 5 into 5 will be 25, whereas 6 into 6 again will have ending number as 6. 6 into 6 also will have ending number of 6. Now, don't write all these numbers 14, 16, 24, 26, because it is a two number, it only start from 10. Don't write all these numbers, we only follow a decimal system. So, it can only start from 1 to 9. So, it will be 10, 11 like that, 21, 22 like that. Find out how many numbers are there. So, it will be 14, 16 like that. Don't do all these things. 24, 26. You have to write all these numbers. Instead, because it is a decimal system, two-digit number, numbers are only from 0 to 9. The tens place will take from 0 to 9. But because it is a two-digit number, tens place will not have 0. It will have only 1 to 9, 9 numbers. So, 9, and because 4 and 6 both have the squares ending with 6. So, every 10 numbers, I will have 2 numbers that got square ending with 6, 14, 16, 24 like that. So, 9 into 2 will be 18. This is the faster way of doing it. Both 4 and 6 will have their squares ending with 6. Because it is a two-digit number, my tens column will not have 0. It will only vary from 1 to 9. My units column will be 4 and 6. So, 9 into 2, the answer is 18. 9 into 2 is 18. Subscribe to my channel. I will be adding questions every now and then.